Hello and welcome to AI DIY. Today, this is literally the coolest thing I've done with AI so far. So I had a original song made through AI tools. I'm going to show you how to do that. Published it under my own record label. Show you how to do that under Spotify. So if you're interested in learning that, it's a really cool thing. Watch this video. We'll do step-by-step best we can, and you'll learn how to do that for yourself. Okay, everybody, first thing we're going to do, I have a list that I'm going to sort of follow along with. I've done it, and if you want to actually just go ahead and hear the kind of music that I produced with AI, my first one wasn't great. It was just an experiment. But my second one actually was halfway decent. I sort of revised that, and that's the steps that we're going to do to go through today. So if you've ever wanted to publish something to Spotify, you're not a musician, but you like music, you'd just like maybe you one day wanted to publish a book, which we might do that one day too. These are the steps I took. So firstly, we're going to go to ChatGPT for the first part. So the best thing to do here is just create prompts. The music generating software that I use called Suno. I don't think it's great at producing lyrics and letting it go on its own. It might even plug into ChatGPT. I don't know. It might be a coincidence, but I just found that you create the prompts here, have it create the music that you want, well, the lyrics that you want, and then push it out. So the first part is just create it. So we'll do the prompts like this, right? Just for a bit of fun. We'll do one. So go. I know this is just a fun example, but I wanted to at least be fun and make sense and have it be a decent sounding song. So I've gone more with making sure that it's tongue-in-cheek, Steel Panther, nod to Rage Against the Machine. Let's see how it comes out. All right, so I'm just going to backpedal here a little bit. Just going to basically take it out of ChatGPT, bring it to Suno. All right, we're going to create, and going to get rid of all this. There were just too much lyrics. So I didn't realize that you couldn't have that many lyrics. So we'll go that. Now again, verse, all that stuff, you can keep that in there from ChatGPT. It's not instrumental. We click the custom mode. Let's see. Steel Panther, nod to Rage Against the Machine, style of music. Well, I don't even. Yeah, whatever. We'll keep it in there. Rage Against the Lycra Rage. Okay. Create. Hopefully this will be a bit better.
Like a shiny desert grinding, tearing up these urban trails. Saddle rollers, concrete corners, catching tailwinds never fail. Swinging down the block, the fucking socks are polka dotting neon beams. We're the biking brigade in a daylight charade, rolling rebels in our dreams. Ride on, ride wild with the green mile wide, fist pumped hiding like Chloe ride. The streets are our stage with laughter and rage. Two wheels of fury break free from the cage. Chain links clatter, social north, we shadow, reach rebellious rise. Bandits, lightning mad, camaraderie pride. Ingrained against the waves, with the justice on the street. Fueled by fire under the sun, with every pedal beat. Here's to the thrill, the climb the hill, and the rush of the descent. No cost too small, we ride through all rubber revolution's bent. With a nod to the rage, set the stage in a spectacle so divine. Turning the gears of the machine, a cheeky twist and wind. Ride on, ride wild with the green mile wide, fist pumped high like Chloe ride. The streets are our stage with laughter and rage. Two wheels of fury break free from the cage. With every shift, a cheeky.
All right, we're going to go with that. We're going to go. Good enough. Download. We'll download the audio. Rage Against the Lycra Rage. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is upload it to... Okay, actually what I'll do is I'll take you to the Spotify thing that tells you what to do. Okay, this is the page you want to go to. artist.spotify.com/get started. Get-started. It tells you what to do. First thing you got to do is choose a distributor. I chose DistroKid. So this is where you upload your music to. That's there, right? And then we'll do that. We'll do that. We're gonna upload to DistroKid. Actually, yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it. Get rid of. I'm just going to do this and publish to Spotify. I'll probably end up deleting this song later. It's not fitting with my band's genre. So this is how I do it. And if you want to play around with this, I haven't been doing this forever, but my thing was Dagwood Gypsy Lantern. That's the name of my label. No, it hasn't been released. Artist, band name, you can put that in there. Release date today. iTunes, no, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to go rock. Second one, R&B. All right. Album cover. Now this is where I go back to ChatGPT. Create an album cover for this song. Pedal to the metal. That is so fantastic. I love. Oh my god, that is fantastic. I'm not even gonna change that. Oh, I gotta change the name of the song though. It's definitely got to be that. Pedal to the metal. ChatGPT, sometimes you come through. That's our album cover. That is fantastic. I'm just gonna call it Pedal to the Metal. Cool. Select an audio file. Get that. Put our name. All that. Now you can do all this for free. I've only paid to enhance one song, which I won't do here. Clicked you're authorized, all that stuff, because it's original music for you. Artwork's good. Track 1's fine. Make sure I get rid of that. I'm not going to enhance my sound on this one. That's fine. Now that's done. You might have to figure out a little bit of stuff there anyway, but so I followed along here with the get started thing. Upload your music, which I've done. Access your dashboard. So you would access your profile. So what I did here was artist or manager. Continue. Yes, it's the right account. So once you create that artist and sync it with Spotify, it might take a few days. So this is a multi-day venture. It was about 3 days for me. So Dagwood. So mine came up there, right? So you click at that. What profile are you claiming? I've already claimed that one anyway. You will then show up in Spotify, and that's basically how simple it is. Just to be clear, you're not seeing that song. I just want to clear this up. You're not seeing the song we just did because that one that you just saw right there was actually a few days ago. So it takes 24, 48, 72 hours before it'll actually show up in Spotify. So I just want to clarify that. I did mention that it takes a couple days a minute ago, but you don't see that song there. It's actually there in Spotify now. If you go down there, go look for Dagwood Gypsy Lantern, which is my label, and you'll see that song there. You can play it, subscribe, and all that stuff. So I just want to make that clear. Yeah, and that's how simple it really is. So now, in this case, I've got my own sort of label. Let's see if any of my other stuff's popped up now. It's just the first song, Waves of, what is it called? Waves of Green Harmony. That, I don't suggest listening to that one. It was awful. By the time this is out, hopefully there'll be 2 songs, at least one other song. One of the songs I released I thought was actually pretty good. Gave me a little bit of a teary. Yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm going to put this on my blog. Now, another thing I'm going to ask you to do is go to my website, aidiy.tech. Do a donation to Love Heart Travel, which is a sponsor to bring people out to remote villages in Indonesia and do corrective eye surgery, remove cataracts, provide glasses. I've been on the trip. It was fantastic. It was really good to see the good that it does, but it supports the John Fawcett Foundation, who does all that good work in Indonesia. So do that. Hopefully subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps me and drives me on. I keep an eye on that. I'll do shout outs to you lovely people, and it helps me bring in content. As you see, I had to subscribe to this. One day I'll be monetized, and it'll start paying for all these subscriptions I've done to provide you with great content. So thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time. I hope this was valuable for you.